Hi beautiful people, good day to you all, good day everybody out there. On today's video I just want to do the video on how to make simple mbeke, mbeke makeup. That is what I'll be showing you people, so that you see the one that is mbeke makeup. Very simple and easy, easy to go. It's your girl Steph Gold, and this is my work. Let's dive in straight into what I want to show you people today. I love you all. So guys, how to make your wake makeup. That is what I want to show you guys. Just simple way you can make your wake makeup, and I'll be just using just a few things. Very simple stuff, First, I'll be using this as my mirror. First, I'll start by applying the eye pencil. Just look me as I do so. A simple mbeke makeup. But if you really want, you can carve your eyebrow. My own is bushy, but I'm gonna be using it like that. Just to shave later. Yeah, let's dive in straight. And I'm making a simple mbeke makeup. Okay, just like this. First, stroke a line like this. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Like this. Are you seeing it, guys? Another stroke. Make a triangle shape at the edge. Now one line to the arc, and then bring it down. This is our first step, and it is done. So guys, if you want to go in with your eyeshadow, this is apply your eyeshadow, I'm using my hand. If you want, you can use your brush, no problem. I'm going in with the black eyeshadow. I'm still using my lipstick palette. That's what I'm using here. Let me put another color. This is called color blocking. Color blocking. Let me top it pink. Okay. See guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow. So the next thing is time to do the lip. So very simple makeup, mbeke makeup. Yes. Start by drawing the line, lip line. You line your lip. Line your lip like this. I see it. Very simple mbeke makeup. You gotta love the outcome, trust me. So this is it. Now guys, I'll be going in with my powder. I'll be going with my banana powder. Yes. I don't have the foam they used to rub the powder, so I'll be going with my brush on this. Very simple makeup tip. But simple wig style. So this is it, guys. Very simple and easy to make. So the next thing I'll bring is my lip gloss. I'm going with the lip. Which one am I gonna apply? Okay. Let me go with this. I seen it. Lovely. Almost done. So guys, this is it. Let's not put a hair. So I took one week. Just do this small portion. Yeah. Call it sponge, call it whatever. Call it your Peruvian, Italian, whichever one. Biggie now, biggie. So guys, I'll just leave it like this. So guys, are you seeing it? This is the way our mothers then, our babes then, you know, the 90s. This is the way they do it. Yes, are you seeing it? This is where the way it's can wake you makeup. It again, Italian wig. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Stuff Gold, and this is my world. See you next time on my video. I hope you like it. Bye.